Hello everyone and welcome back to the vlog. Today is the very first Monday of 2021, which means it's gonna be a busy one probably. There is a lot of work to do. It's my first official day back at work in the new year. I ended up working a lot last week, well, not a lot, but at least like 2 or 3 hours every day. But I am definitely not in work mode yet. It's gonna be an interesting day, that's for sure. I'm sort of expecting it to be a late one, only because I don't feel like I'm gonna be very productive, but I'm hoping that I will be because I also really want to get a workout in, and you know, I hate doing that when it's too late, but we'll see. Really quickly, I want to just run and grab a Starbucks. This is my free one. Should I make it a venti? I honestly should, like why not if it's free? I have a call right at 9 a.m. It's 8:37 right now, so I just need to like run out and grab this and head back here. So let me go ahead and place this order. I love when I get a free Starbucks. I'm gonna get better about not going to Starbucks as much, but for the first Monday of 2021, it just, you know, felt like I needed it. I'm going to throw some shoes on and then we can head out and grab a Starbucks before my meeting. The infamous giant escalator. It's being cleaned right now. How lovely. I love that we still have a Christmas cup. I like how cute this pattern is, I love it. All right, got my chai and I wanna add a little boost of hydration to my water, so I'm just throwing in my liquid IV. You guys know what's up. Strawberry flavor, my fave, gonna be so good. And I have my meeting in about 5 minutes, so I'm going to head over to the computer and get set up for that. Right back at it with the morning cuddles. Right, Molly, while I'm working. It's just so inconvenient, but what are you gonna do? Good girl. Oh, look at you. Love you. Okay, for lunch today we're making a little salad wrap and I'm trying these corn meatless spicy patties. This is it, I just finished cooking it, so I'm just going to slice it and throw it in here and then add some bell pepper, some cherry tomatoes. I already have some lettuce and some onion on here. I also put some sriracha ranch on the bottom of this for a little creamy taste, obviously. This looks so good. I'm actually so excited to try this. Trying something new, so gotta do a taste test. Oh, it's really yummy. Has a little bit of spice, but it's not too much. Very excited about this. I can't believe how long my hair is getting again, you guys. It really needs a haircut. It's so hard without Tara here because I would just ask her to cut my hair all the time, but I guess I have to try to do it myself now, which I'm very nervous about. I've never cut my own hair and it gives me nerves. It is now 4:50 p.m. and I just finished work. Look at that, done 10 minutes before 5. Really cannot complain about that. It was a full day, but it was a good day, very productive. I got a lot done, which is really good. And I ended my day with some excellent news that Connor and I officially got approved for the place that we applied to. Oh my God, I was so excited about it. It really was our favorite place that we saw. We think it fits us really well. The location is just absolutely to die for. We are so excited about it. Debating whether I should tell you guys which one it was or not. Honestly, I have been so conflicted about whether I want to tell you guys which place we got before I moved there or after. I don't know. I sort of want to look back at what I did in the past to try to advise my decision here. Oh my God, I'm watching my empty apartment tour from moving in here. Oh my God, like, I can't believe I'm leaving this place. Okay, crazy to watch that. Anyway, I actually think that I waited last time to tell you guys until my empty apartment tour. So I might have to be savage and do the same thing. Here's the deal. I'm not going to tell you in this video which one it was because, I don't know, I like teasing you guys. But that being said, what I'm going to do is decide whether I'll tell you before we move or not based on when we get the keys. We don't know exactly when we're gonna have the keys yet. I'm pretty sure that we're gonna be able to get them early. The guy said that we could, but we still need to confirm that. So I'm not gonna tell you in this video, but I will tell you guys very soon what place it is. I mean, we move in 10 days, so you're not gonna have to wait that long to find out what place it is. Sorry that I'm teasing you. But I have to hold on to every title I can get, you guys. You know the drill. I am super excited about the place that we chose. It was so fun seeing your opinions on all of them. Which one you guys think that we chose, which one you think that we should have chose. Some of you are happy with what we chose, and some of you, well, I don't think any of you will not be happy, but you know, some of you had different opinions. Anyway, very, very exciting stuff. Anyway, I messaged Tara and asked if she wanted to FaceTime. She said yes, so I'm gonna hop on FaceTime with her now and hang out with her for a little bit, and then I'm going to get a workout in, and then we're doing a very sad activity. I can't wait to not hear sirens 24/7, you guys. I cannot tell you how excited I am that I'm almost out of downtown. Hi, Molly Cat. I don't even know if you've been in the vlog yet today, have you? I guess very briefly in the morning. Come here. Come say hi. Oh. Have you been sleeping? She just came out from under the bed, so she definitely has been nappy under there. Now she probably needs to go for a snack. Okay, let me fill you guys in. So it is about 7 p.m. now, and I was on the phone with Tara for about an hour, and then on the phone with Connor for about an hour after that. So even though it is late now, I'm going to force myself to work out because I just need to make it happen. I just need to not make excuses and instead just make it happen. So we're doing it. I'm just gonna get changed, and I'm just gonna get changed out of leggings into different leggings and get a workout in. Thought I would take a second to show you guys this cute little workout set that Connor's mom actually got me for Christmas. It's from Avocado Activewear. She asked me for a few of like my favorite stores, and I sent her that. I really love their leggings, and she bought me this cute set. First time working out in it, so very excited, although I have worn this like multiple times throughout the break, but I really like it. I think it's cute. I have to show you guys though. These have them too actually, but those leggings I was wearing all day have these ribs, and they leave the most gnarly marks on my legs, and it like hurts when I take them off. Like all of this stings right now. Look at that. That is intense. That is no joke. I don't care because they're cute, so whatever. Molly Cat, you can work out with me? You ready for a little workout? My workout kitty? Purse? I get a little purr girl? We have to get some music, Molly. What should we listen to? Oh, I know what playlist I want to listen to. Oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. You've been sleeping all day, now you're ready for cuddles? Top hits of the 2000s, let's do it. Breathe by Faith Hill, hilarious. Have to listen to that. Obviously, Britney used to be in there. Good girl, I love you. Ask Club 7, yes, I have to get some of that in there. Oh, you know what I need? 18s. She's so lucky. She's a star, but she cry, cry, cry. I agree, Molly. There's definitely not enough Britney on this playlist. I am loving this playlist that I just put together. Very exciting.
Molly Cat, I'm gonna need you to slide your little booty.
This is not a good workout song, but it was too good not to listen to. Bring me back to those Faith Hill days. Give me Faith Hill's body. This song is so weird to work out to. Caught up in your touch, slow and steady rush. Weird, why do I remember these lyrics? Music is weird like that. Okay, anyway, back to my workout. I needed a little break, I was tired. Just breathe. This is me during this workout. Breathe through it, Jill. What do people say now? I feel like I unlocked memory with this song. Oh my god. Jamming out to the car, in the car to this, like with my parents driving, getting like the CD out of our big CD folder, and listening to this whole album. With you gets me that way. Molly, I love you so much. Let's see what's next up on this iconic journey that we're on. Yeah. Right, Molly? It's Britney. No, Molly, leave the camera. Molly. No. Please leave the, oh my god, Molly. Oh my god. I really wanted to give up on that and I didn't. I'm pretty proud of myself for that. Oh my god, that was really hard. Did it again. Oh my god, this song is so good. Who else listened to 18 so much growing up? and me together. I just remember being in the back seat of my parents' Honda CR-V, which then became my first car, and pouring over this CD, like the little insert that would be in there. You guys know what I'm talking about. Oh my god, this is hard. But just looking at every photo, reading every song line, like the notes in there, all the lyrics to learn them, like just pouring over this. I have such a distinct memory of doing it specifically with this album. Like, I remember what the cover looked like, everything. Oh, I think we had one more song. Oh, an icon. Molly Cat, you and me. Let's go. Baby, thinking of you keeps me up all night. I'm gonna read one more song after this. Another iconic Faith Hill song. Oh, my girl. With the computer so people can see how sweet you are. Love the way you love me. Oh my god, this song! Ooh, I love the way you love me. Oh, I remember that whole part. Well, we worked out, we are showered nice and fresh now, and I am calling an audible. I don't actually know if that's how that phrase goes. I'm pretty sure it is though. Calling an audible, making an audible, don't know. Anyway, I was gonna take down all of my Christmas decorations today. I don't even think I told you guys that, or maybe I did. I don't know, I can't remember. But it's already 8 p.m. at this point, and it's like, do I really wanna spend the next hour until 9 p.m. taking down these decorations? No. So we're gonna do it tomorrow, and we're going to spend one last night enjoying the beauty that is Christmas in my apartment. And then tomorrow, will all go away. I don't think I'm vlogging tomorrow, although maybe, I don't know, TBD, but this might be the very last vlog with the Christmas decorations, so let's all take them in for a moment, shall we? This beautiful tree, which I'm so obsessed with. All of my beautiful little white trees and light up trees around here, which is so good. I love it. Oh, at least the lights around my window stay. For now, I guess I'm moving, so they will be coming down. Garland above my windows. Oh, I'm so sad to say goodbye to it all. Actually, this reminds me, a comment on the vlog that went up today reminded me that I need to talk to you guys about something and take a moment to brag about how sweet and wonderful my boyfriend is, so don't mind me. You guys may recall that in the video where we were talking about what our holiday tradition is gonna be, which we decided was gonna be writing a letter to each other that we could open on Christmas every year, which by the way was amazing. Connor's letter was literally the sweetest thing that I've ever read. I seriously could cry thinking about it right now. It was so good. I loved it. He loved the one that I wrote for him. It's just such a fun tradition. I'm so excited about that. But anyway, he said that he was going to start another new tradition for us that was sort of a surprise for me on Christmas. And so sweet, he decided that we should start collecting ornaments, just ornaments that like remind each other of each other, places that we go when we travel, getting an ornament, just little like whatever, whenever we think of it, whenever we see something, picking it up. So he got 3 ornaments to start off our collection. Let me show you them. So this is the first one. You can see it still has the tag on it. I clearly just threw it on here, but it's a little Santa Claus, and it says, "I believe in wine," and this is to represent me and my love of Christmas and my love of wine. So love it, so cute. He got this little cat ornament to represent Molly Cat. He was sad that it didn't look like her too much, but the light and the dark colors were pretty good, and look how cute it is anyway. So that's the little Molly Cat ornament. And then lastly, this one made me laugh so much. He got me a hot cocoa one because I always make a joke that Connor is my hot cocoa because I call him Coco sometimes. So he got a cute little hot cocoa. So cute. I am seriously obsessed with this tradition. So anyway, there's my little humble relationship brag here for a moment, how sweet and thoughtful my boyfriend is. So now I really am just gonna sit down, enjoy some Christmas. It's already almost 8 o'clock, so we are gonna make dinner very soon here. I'm cooking up such a yummy meal right now, you guys. We are making tilapia. I have it baking in the oven right now at 400 degrees. We still have like probably 12 or 15 more minutes until that's done. I made some white rice. This is better with quinoa, but this is what I have on hand, so we're just gonna go for it. Using half an avocado, piece of lime, some of my cherry tomatoes. We're gonna do some corn, some onion, and this is going to be so good. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm just putting together my dinner here. I have some white rice, some corn, and some onion in here already. Cherry tomatoes in there now. I'm gonna put a little bit of this lime just on here, and then put some on top of the fish as well when it comes out. Oh, this looks so good. I'm so excited. Look at that. Obviously, I'm not eating all of this right now. We're gonna save some leftovers, but it looks so yummy and juicy. Cooked perfectly. Get our avocado out of there. Some more lime juice on there. Okay, we're just gonna finish her off. Sriracha ranch and sriracha-cha. Like, hello? How amazing does this look? It's gonna taste even better. I am so excited to eat. We already did a little taste test today, so I wasn't really planning on doing one for dinner, but I mean, it just looks so good. Although it's about to look way less pretty because I'm just want to mix all this up so that it all gets evenly distributed. Oh my God. Very excited to dive into this. Guys, I'm just sitting here because it is 8:59 p.m. and it's about to be midnight on the East Coast, which means that it's Tara's birthday. So I'm literally just sitting here waiting for the clock to change. Yes, I think I got it, you guys. She said I'm crying. We're so sappy, I can't. Ah, yes, and she said that I was the first birthday message. Oh, that's the kind of dedication I put in. Thank you very much. Love you, Tara. Happy birthday. It's bedtime. We have the zit cream back on, trying to clear up these little zits that I got on my face. Fun stuff. And we are getting in bed a little early again so that we can read some more. This book is like heating up right now. I had so much trouble putting it down yesterday, so I'm very excited to find out what is going to happen next. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog though, and I will see you on Friday.